And have you ever wondered about the man who was hailed as an ideal king, a devoted son, and a perfect human being? And this is the story of Rama, a fundamental figure in Indian mythology and a pivotal character in the epic saga, the Ramayana. As a beacon of virtue and the epitome of righteousness, Rama's life is a testament to the high moral standards that were and continue to be revered in Indian culture. Rama's distinct virtues of honor, loyalty, and unwavering commitment to duty, known as Dharma, have made him a timeless icon. His journey, fraught with trials and tribulations, presents a fascinating study of human resilience, moral fiber, and the power of good over evil. His story isn't just a tale of a king, but a reflection of societal values and lessons in ethics that resonate even today. Dive with me into the captivating tale of Rama, a hero whose life continues to inspire millions. Born to King Dasharatha and Queen Kaushalya, Rama was no ordinary child. His birth was a divine event, anticipated by the gods and celebrated by the earthly realm. He was the embodiment of Lord Vishnu, born to establish righteousness on earth, and even as an infant, his radiance was evident. Rama's childhood was filled with extraordinary tales of his intelligence, courage, and virtue. He was an exemplary student, mastering scriptures and weaponry with ease and grace. His keen intellect was matched only by his profound compassion, and he treated everyone from the highest noble to the humblest servant with kindness and respect. His remarkable skills were not restricted to the scholarly domain. Rama's prowess in archery was legendary, with tales of him effortlessly bending and stringing the great bow of Lord Shiva, a feat that was considered impossible for ordinary mortals. But Rama was not just a warrior, he was a statesman, a philosopher, a guide. He embodied the principles of Dharma, of righteousness and duty. Even as a child, he understood the importance of justice and truth, demonstrating a wisdom far beyond his years. Rama's childhood was a testament to his divine nature, a glimpse of the great leader he was destined to become. His life was a symphony of virtue, a melody of righteousness, and a harmony of duty and love. His life was destined for greatness, a journey that began with a powerful vow. The day arrived when Rama, with his unmatched prowess, won the hand of the beautiful and virtuous Princess Sita. This was no ordinary day, it was the day of Sita's Swayamvara, a tradition where a princess could choose her own husband. Among the many princes who attended, Rama stood out. His mission? To lift and string the bow of Shiva, a task deemed impossible by many. But Rama, with his divine strength, not only lifted the bow but broke it, making a sound that echoed through the cosmos. This incredible feat won him Sita's hand in marriage, and their union was celebrated with grandeur. Their love was profound, their respect for each other immeasurable. Each was the perfect complement to the other, symbolizing the ideal partnership. They were the embodiment of divine love, a testament to the power of Dharma. But little did they know their love story was going to be anything but ordinary. When duty called, Rama did not hesitate, even if it meant abandoning his kingdom and his beloved wife. In the grand epic of Ramayana, Rama's unwavering commitment to his dharma, or duty, is exemplified in his 14-year exile. His father, King Dasharatha, bound by the promise he made to his wife Kaikeyi, reluctantly commanded Rama to depart from Ayodhya. With a heart full of sorrow but a resolve as firm as a mountain, Rama accepted this decree without question, embodying the virtue of obedience. Accompanied by his devoted wife Sita and his loyal brother Lakshmana, Rama ventured into the forest to live a life of austerity, abandoning the comforts and privileges of palace life. This period of exile, harsh and challenging, tested Rama's character and resolve, but he stood undeterred, upholding his dharma as a son and a future king. However, this exile brought forth another pivotal event, the abduction of Sita by the demon king Ravana. Deceived by Ravana's guise as a mendicant, Sita crossed the protective line drawn by Lakshmana and was taken captive. This heinous act ignited a spark in Rama, a spark of righteous anger and determination to rescue his beloved wife. Despite the pain and despair, Rama did not falter. He sought the help of the Vanara king, Sugriva, and his devoted servant, Hanuman. His unwavering commitment to his dharma as a husband was evident in his relentless pursuit to free Sita from Ravana's clutches. His love for Sita was not just a romantic emotion, it was a sacred vow, a duty that he was bound to fulfill, irrespective of the trials and tribulations. The tale of Rama's exile and Sita's abduction is not merely a narrative of despair and villainy. It is a testament to Rama's adherence to Dharma, his unwavering resolve, and his deep-seated love for Sita. It is a story that teaches us about duty, sacrifice, and the power of unwavering commitment. Rama's love for Sita was put to the ultimate test, one that would change the course of their lives forever. The stage was set for an epic battle, a battle between good and evil, between Rama and Ravana. The air was thick with anticipation as the two titans faced off, the embodiment of Dharma versus the epitome of Adharma. Rama stood tall, his eyes reflecting a resolve forged in the fires of adversity and injustice. This was not just a battle of strength, but of strategy. Rama, armed with his divine bow and arrows, led an army of devoted followers, including the mighty Hanuman. His strategy was a tapestry of tactical maneuvers and well-planned attacks, designed to exploit Ravana's weaknesses and undermine his forces. Every move Rama made was a testament to his bravery, his commitment to justice, and his unwavering determination to rescue his beloved Sita. Ravana, on the other hand, was a formidable adversary. He was a 10-headed demon king, each head symbolizing a different aspect of his character. Despite his monstrous demeanor, Ravana was a scholar, a devotee of Lord Shiva, and a formidable warrior. But his arrogance and his disregard for Dharma were his ultimate downfall. The battle raged on for 10 days and nights, a dance of destruction and rebirth, of defeat and victory. It was a spectacle of sheer willpower, of the indomitable spirit of Dharma that refused to be extinguished. And in the end, it was Rama, the embodiment of righteousness, who emerged victorious. With the defeat of Ravana, Rama rescued Sita, and together they embarked on their triumphant return to Ayodhya. The kingdom, which had been shrouded in sorrow during their absence, erupted in joyous celebration. The streets were adorned with marigold flowers and lit with thousands of lamps to welcome their rightful king and queen. Upon their return, Rama was crowned king of Ayodhya. His reign was marked by prosperity, peace, and justice. He ruled with wisdom, compassion, and a commitment to uphold Dharma, setting an example for generations to come. With Sita by his side, Rama ruled Ayodhya with justice and compassion, epitomizing the ideal king. Rama's life was a tapestry of trials and triumphs, a testament to his unwavering commitment to Dharma. In the grand epic of Ramayana, Rama's journey from prince to king, from exile to redemption, forms a compelling narrative that echoes across the ages. His life, marked by virtue, honor, and adherence to Dharma, serves as a beacon of righteousness, guiding us in our own paths. Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, was an embodiment of virtue and righteousness. His steadfast adherence to Dharma, even in the face of the most daunting challenges, underscores the core values that form the essence of his character. Whether it was honoring his father's wishes and accepting a life of exile, or fighting a fierce battle to rescue his beloved Sita, Rama's actions were always dictated by a deep sense of duty and justice. His virtues extended beyond his commitment to Dharma. Rama was also a devoted husband, a loyal friend, and a compassionate ruler. His love for Sita was unwavering, his friendship with Hanuman unshakable, and his dedication to his subjects unparalleled. In the kingdom of Ayodhya, Rama's rule was marked by peace, prosperity, and justice for all, a golden era that came to be known as Ramrajya. Rama's life and his ideals are not confined to the pages of the Ramayana. They transcend the boundaries of time and geography, resonating with people across cultures and generations. His story serves as a guide for righteous living, instilling in us values of truth, loyalty, duty, and respect for all life. His journey, though fraught with trials, teaches us that righteousness ultimately triumphs over evil, and that virtue, no matter how hard the path, is its own reward. The legacy of Rama is not merely a story of a king, an epic of battles and victories. It is a testament to the power of Dharma, a narrative of virtues lived and values upheld. It is an enduring saga that continues to inspire, to teach, and to guide us in our own journeys. In the words of the ancient sages, the life of Rama is a mirror reflecting the ideals of Dharma. It is a call to each one of us to uphold these ideals, to strive for righteousness in our actions, to be kind, to be fair, to be just. Rama's story is not just a tale from a bygone era, it's a timeless saga of righteousness, devotion, and love, inspiring generations to walk the path of Dharma.